Hello creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today's video shows you how to make perfectly juicy grilled chicken at home. Let's start. In a bowl, add a half cup curd and salt as required. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste and mix again. Add 2 tablespoons cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, and 1 full big lemon juice. Mix until well combined. Add the cleaned 1 kilogram chicken pieces and coat them evenly with the marinade. Transfer to a covered container. And refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours or overnight for best results. Place the marinated chicken on a grill stand. And lightly spray oil. Grill in a microwave oven on grill mode for 30 minutes. Flip the chicken after 15 minutes. Spray a little oil. And grill for the remaining time. Perfectly grilled, juicy and spicy grilled chicken is ready to enjoy. Serve with mint chutney or homemade mayonnaise. Love this grilled chicken? Like, share, and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes.